Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Monaco Motel, Wildwood. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located on Ocean Avenue in Wildwood, Monaco Motel, Wildwood is 100 feet from Wildwood Beach and the Wildwood Boardwalk. Morey's Piers Adventure Pier and the Wildwoods Convention Center are 650 feet from this Wildwood, New Jersey motel. Splash Zone Water Park is 1,800 feet from Monaco Motel. Each room here will provide you with a 32 inches flat screen TV, a small refrigerator and air conditioning. Private bathrooms come with a bath and shower combo. At Monaco Motel, Wildwood you will find barbecue facilities. Other facilities offered at the property include a vending machine. The property offers free parking and Wi-Fi access. Atlantic City International Airport is 43 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.